Hello guys, and welcome back. Today I'll show you how to create a content calendar in Notion that posts. Firstly, Notion allows you to organize your content using databases. We'll focus on the table view and calendar view. Firstly, click the page or add the page button. If you want to place this under another page, simply drag it in the right location. Now choose a name like blog name plus content calendar for clarity. To create a database for your content calendar, just click the empty page button to start with a blank page. Type /tableview and click on the table view database option. Just select a data source and then choose new database from the menu that appears. Now you've created your base for your content calendar. This setup helps you stay organized and on track with your content plan. You can then add tasks, deadlines, and organize your calendar by date. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.